Hi friends, in this session we are going to see how to develop a simple calculator using C program. Here I am declaring a few variables int n1 n2 to take two numbers and one operator. So let us read all the three together. Enter two numbers and operator. So let me read in a scan of all the three. So %d, %d, percentage character, two integers and one character, ampersand n1, ampersand n2, ampersand operator. Here I am taking the operator into switch op. Switch takes integer as an argument, but this one is a character, op is a character. Character to integer conversion is implicit. We don't have to explicitly convert it, so it will automatically convert, which means the character which we entered will get converted into the ASCII value of. And for comparison we use case statement. Suppose if it is a plus, can we use like this? No. This case statement takes integer, so we have to convert it to integer. Here it will not automatically get converted. Here it will be an explicit conversion. In case of plus, we have to print the sum, right? Sum equal to %d. Here I am saying n1 plus n2. And then we need to break the, otherwise what will happen? It will keep comparing the other conditions as well. And also like this, there are multiple cases will be there. And then there is a default. If we want this default also to be executed for all conditions, then we need not use break. But default we want to use it as a else condition. When no conditions are satisfied, then the default should execute. In that case, we have to use the break statement for all the case condition. So let us compare with minus symbol. Minus. If it is minus, we have to print the difference, right? Print difference equal to %d. Here we can use conditional expression. For example, I am giving n1 greater than n2. If it is n1 greater than n2, then n1 minus n2. Otherwise, n2 minus n1. So I am subtracting the small number from big number. So I am finding which number is the big one and then subtracting small number from big one. And then break. So let me copy this for a few more. For example, for multiplication, then division, and then for, let us also take for the remainder. Okay. So here, if it is a multiplication, then we have to print product equal to n1 multiplied by n2. If it is a division, then what we have to print is the quotient. Quotient n1 divided by n2, that is called the quotient. And let us also take one more, which is the remainder. Remainder equal to n1 percentage n2. Percentage is the symbol for retaining the remainder. Default. If none of the conditions are satisfied, it should come to default. That means we have entered a wrong operator, right? It's not plus, it's not minus, it's not star, it's not slash, it's not percentage. In that case, we just have to print invalid operator. We can also print the operator. %c is operator. The operator will be printed. Operator is invalid operator. This is about switch statement. Switch takes an integer. If you give character, it will automatically get converted to the integer. And case, again integer. If you are giving character, we have to explicitly convert here. And if this condition is true, these number of statements will get executed. So it will print sum and then break out of the switch. Otherwise, if this is not true, it will come here. If it is minus, it will print the difference equal to difference and it will break the switch. If this is also not true, it will check. If it is a star, it will print product and break out of the switch. If it is slash, it will print the quotient and break out of the switch. If it is percentage, it will print the remainder and break out of the loop. If none of the conditions are true, then it goes to default and says this character is invalid character. So this is about switch statement, and this is the simple calculator. So let us execute and see. Here we have to give the question mark symbol. So enter two numbers and operator. So I am giving 3 space 5. So any number of spaces we can give. This doesn't make any difference. So I am giving multiplication symbol. So it prints product is equal to 15. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, right? Let us also see other conditions. 3 and 7 and plus symbol. So sum equal to 10. 3 plus 7, 10. So let us also give subtraction symbol. So I am giving 7 and 9 and minus symbol. So difference is equal to 2. 5 space 3 space minus. Here also difference is 2. Let us see the division. 7 space 3 division symbol. So quotient is 2. You have taken integer. If you take float, it will give 2 point something, right? So let us take the remainder. I'm taking 9 space 4 percentage symbol. So remainder is 1, right? Let us also give some invalid operator. So I'm giving 8, 7 and some equal to operator. Equal to is invalid operator, right? So this is about switch, and this is the simple calculator using switch in a C program. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon, otherwise you will not get the notifications. Also please like the video and share it with your friends. Also please comment below my videos if you have any questions, comments or suggestions for the improvement. Thank you so much.